Welcome back. In this video we're unboxing the ERBAUER cordless 55mm nailer. Now I've never had anything from this brand before, so I'm not actually sure how to say the brand name. I'm hoping it's ERBAUER or something like that. ERBAUER. I have no idea, to be honest. But I'm pretty sure their tools work with the Evolution batteries. So I have them here, and I have bought the bare model of the cordless 55mm nailer. As you can see here, no battery included, because I'm hoping these batteries will work with it. So let's have a quick look at the box. We can see some of the features that the nailer has on the side just here, and it includes some 50mm nails as well. So let's have a look on the back. That tells us a bit more about it, but let's just get this straight open. Here we go. And there we go. So it's quite a nice colour, to be honest. Let's get this out first. This is probably just instructions or a warranty. There we go. We have a manual, instructions as to how to use it. There we have the exact model number for this nailer, so if you want to buy the same one you can. And then we have the safety information, product description, assembly, the use, care and maintenance, guarantee, and declaration of something, I'm not sure. But there we have the book that comes with it, so that will be handy. I've not had a nailer like this before, so I'll have to read up on that just to understand the basics. So let's get this out of the box. Here we go. This looks absolutely fantastic. I got this on an early Black Friday deal, so I'm pretty happy with the price I paid. There's another little envelope here. There we go, that has the nails. And it's probably worth checking if my batteries are going to fit. Yes, they are. So that is absolutely fantastic. That saves me a chunk of money having to buy new batteries. It didn't come dirty, that's because I've got a dirty worktop here. And there we go, that looks absolutely fantastic. What does this say up here? That's just the size of nails that you can use. So there we go, that's looking pretty good. Now I may as well put these nails in it, so let me get the instruction book out again. Oh, there we go, that's pretty easy. I just need to, I'm guessing I just need to put them in there, facing this way. I'm guessing that's all I do. I'm going to have another look at this before doing anything else, just to double check. Right, so sliding the bottom off, putting the nails in, sliding that back on, and that's the battery. Yep, okay. That's if you want to clip it on your belt. Okay, so we've got the battery in. If you look at the bottom where the handle is, at the bottom of it, just down here, you can see a little control panel. Now the middle button is the power button. So if I hold that for a couple of seconds, it will power on. So now, if I click this button to change the mode, so now it should be ready for us to fire our first test nail. And there we go, that's gone straight in. That's actually quite impressive. So if we do this again on this side, this piece of wood is now stuck on here. I'm gonna have to use my hammer to remove it, but this was of course just a quick test. Now I want to keep my finger off the trigger, but it's absolutely fantastic that this works with the Evolution batteries. So that saves me having to buy another, for now at least. So there we go. That is all for the video. Thanks and goodbye.